All right, everybody, welcome. My name is Jed Albring, and in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the ClickFunnels black box. So, a lot of mystery behind the ClickFunnels black box, and a lot of people don't really know about it, and they don't know how to get it. Well, it's actually quite simple. So, the black box actually comes as an upgrade when you get either the .com Secrets book or the Expert Secrets book. So, you get when you go to get the .com Secrets or Expert Secrets book, you get it free, and then you just pay shipping and handling. And then when you go to actually put in your information, you're going to get a one-time offer for $37, guys. And that's going to allow you to get the complete black box. So if you're going to get .com Secrets, then it would include Expert Secrets with it. And if you're going to get Expert Secrets, it would include .com Secrets. But you're also going to get the Funnel Hacker Black Box Quick Start Guide. So it's basically taking you through, funnel building process, secrets, and how to start driving traffic. You're going to get, I think I already mentioned that, Expert Secrets book. And then you're also going to get access to a free training class that Russell did, which he reveals how one funnel is making him over $17,000 per day. So that's pretty freaking cool. You're going to get the ClickFunnels secret booklet, which again is only available in the black box. So it's just revealing more information, more knowledge, more training on different tactics and tools you can use to build your funnels, grow your funnels. Also how to fill your funnel secret booklet, which is priceless because you need traffic and you got to bring people there. The Actionetics secret booklet. So this is really cool because you can't get this anywhere else but the booklet. So if you are thinking of going to the full suite plan, which includes Actionetics, right? Even if you aren't now, you probably will in the future. So this is valuable information to have. And then the Russell Brunson secret sketches. As you know, Russell loves to sketch, and I personally love his sketches because I'm a visual learner. So if you're like me, if you're a visual learner and you like to kind of see things laid out, this book is priceless as well. So you get the entire black box, guys, for $37. That is insane. So you can either go through the .com Secrets link or the Expert Secrets link, and then you'll have the option to upgrade, and you get everything for just $37. So that's pretty amazing, guys. I will put links below. Again, it doesn't matter whether you go through the Expert Secrets or .com Secrets, you're still going to get both books. I'll just put one link down there, and you guys can get those books. You can get the black box. Also, as a bonus, guys, if you're a funnel hacker or you're in the funnel community, you're going to get some funnel hacker stickers, and you're going to get some just kind of funnel hacker goodies, fun stuff like a manifesto, just almost like, what do I want to say? Material for funnel hackers, kind of that funnel hacker pride. So you're going to get some really cool stuff in there that you can, you put stickers on your computer if you want. You can have stuff to put up on your desk for motivation. So just really cool. And it comes in a cool big black box. I think you'll enjoy it. So there's a button below. Click enjoy, and please like, subscribe if you enjoyed the content. Thank you.